Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Adobe Experience Manager, the future of Experience Fragment. What is meant by Experience Fragment? Group of one or more components including contents and layout. It is a part of an experience and can be used across multiple pages. It is made up of one or more components with a layout in a paragraph system. We can create an experience fragment inside another experience fragment, and we can create different variation and share the content and component. The main use of experience fragment is if author want to reuse the part or in a page, they need to copy and paste the fragment. Creating and maintaining this copy paste experience is time consuming and prone to user errors. Experience fragments eliminates the need of copy and paste. Let's create experience fragment in local. Once you logged in, you have option for experience fragments. Click experience fragments. We have option for create folder, and we can create. Go to test project, create experience fragment. I'm going to use experience fragment web variation. Open. Here we have a layout container. Got all the features there while creating a page. Same feature available for experience fragment also. If we need to create common section for multiple pages, then we are going to use for experience fragment. This is layout container. Here we can going to add what are all the sections we need. Here I am going to add one text and one image component. I am going to add the images. Going to toggle side panel, assets, drag and drop the image, and done. And OK. Now I have created one experience fragment for showcase left side image and right side content. Then I am going to use for this in our retail project. Go to sites, e-retail, language master, EN, experience, and test page. Edit. In test page, I am going to add for one experience fragment component. We need to use our experience fragment. Go to assets. Instead of image, you can search for experience fragment. It will show what all the variation you have created. It will be available here. We have created one common section and used in the test page. If you want to create variation, we can create. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video to your friends. Thanks again.